Welcome to WCrypto.
Hey everyone, let's rewind and check if our analysis and community update post from yesterday kept up with the market. Yesterday, Bitcoin stayed within our predicted range, testing lows around $58,000 but closing flat. Today, expect similar sideways action. Historically, Thursdays lean slightly negative, but with potential gains of about 2.4% if positive. I posted that we have a bullish divergence on the 1-hour chart printing signs of a bottom. A 1.5% drop could retest $58,000, while a 2.5% rise might push past $60,000. However, major movements are unlikely. Anticipate continued consolidation. If you ask me, money flow is coming up, and the bullish divergence shows me that we have found the bottom around $59,000 and are moving up from here. Bitcoin often slows in summer, currently ranging between $70,000 and $55,000. A pattern consistent with past summers. Historical data shows summer ranges typically around 25 to 30%, aligning with our current scenario. This suggests a probable continuation of sideways action into late September or early October. Post-halving trends show Bitcoin often moves sideways before a significant breakout, a pattern we've seen repeatedly. The weekly wave trend momentum is still printing a green dot, crossing up towards late summer. This often precedes upward price movements, hinting at the potential for a bullish breakout soon. Despite the lull, this could set up for a breakout. Keep emotions in check. Significant moves are unlikely until late September. Weekly high probability ranges suggest Bitcoin might not break decisively until reclaiming the 21 weekly EMA while closing at above $61,202. Until then, caution is key. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this analysis valuable, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing if you haven't yet, and turning on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights. And see you in the next one.